High-protein foods, top 20 ranked by 100 grams. Parmesan cheese, 35 to 38 grams. Hard, aged cheese extremely concentrated in protein and calcium. Small amounts provide a big protein boost. Chicken breast, cooked, 31 grams. Lean, complete protein source with low fat. Popular for muscle support and weight control. Turkey breast, cooked, 29 to 30 grams. Very lean poultry option rich in protein and B vitamins. Dried anchovies, 29 to 30 grams. Small fish with concentrated protein due to low moisture. Also rich in calcium and omega-3s. Lean beef, cooked, 26 to 27 grams. High-quality complete protein packed with iron and vitamin B12. Tuna, cooked, 25 to 26 grams. Low-fat fish high in protein and selenium. Convenient and versatile. Pork loin, cooked, 25 grams. Lean cut of pork offering solid protein with moderate fat. Salmon, cooked, 22 to 25 grams. Protein-rich fatty fish that also provides heart-healthy omega-3 fats. Shrimp, 24 grams. Very lean seafood option that delivers high protein with low calories. Peanuts, 25 to 26 grams. Legume commonly eaten as a nut. High in protein but calorie-dense due to healthy fats. Almonds, 21 grams. Protein-rich tree nut with fiber and vitamin E, energy-dense. Tempeh, 19 to 21 grams. Fermented soy product with complete plant protein and gut-friendly benefits. Pumpkin seeds, 18 to 19 grams. Protein-rich seeds that also provide magnesium and healthy fats. Tofu, firm, 14 to 17 grams. Plant-based protein made from soybeans. Absorbs flavors well and versatile in cooking. Eggs, whole, 12 to 13 grams. Complete, highly bioavailable protein containing all essential amino acids. Cottage cheese, 11 to 13 grams. Dairy product rich in casein protein, which digests slowly. Greek yogurt, plain, 9 to 10 grams. Strained yogurt with higher protein than regular yogurt. Also supports gut health. Lentils, cooked, 9 grams. Plant-based protein plus fiber for fullness and digestive support. Black beans, cooked, 8 to 9 grams. Protein-rich legume with fiber and antioxidants. Chickpeas, cooked, 8 to 9 grams. Versatile legume providing protein, fiber, and steady energy. If this helped, hit subscribe to Vitality Reconstruct for easy wellness tips you can start today.